Hello Lancers! Welcome! You're looking for classes to take? This class is all about digital electronics. And just so that you can learn the most, I brought in an expert. Mr. Richards is our teacher for digital electronics. He can tell you a little bit about it. Come on in, Mr. Richards. Welcome. Well, thanks for having me. So these are our prospects here, huh? Is there some other place you should be? Thank you. Nice guy. He's a little weird. So welcome. You're interested in digital electronics. I am the teacher, Mr. Richards. Let me tell you a little bit about it. In digital electronics, we start with a basic discussion and understanding of circuits. Things like voltage, current, resistance. You'll learn to build just some basic circuits, learn how to analyze them. And then we're going to learn how to solder. So you actually solder your first circuit board together, make a little chip or a little circuit board that'll have some functions and stuff that you can do. After that, though, we do that just for a little while. Then we switch to really digital electronics, which is 100% based on ones and zeros. Everything's 1 and 0. You'll learn binary. You'll learn octal and hexadecimal numbering systems related to binary. And then we'll take this thought of binary. How does a computer run? How does it run programs and games and all these things just with ones and zeros? And we'll learn about the logic and logic gates that computers use to do what they do. So you'll learn how to start designing basic digital controllers and circuits that will take inputs, make decisions using ones and zeros, and then give you a specific output. We'll first design them in a computer, simulate them, make sure they work, and then we will actually build them physically. So a lot of hands-on in this class. Once we've done those basics of intro to digital design, then we'll start to extend it by building more complicated circuits, shift registers, counters, things that will count, and using flip-flops. Then we'll go to the digital state machines, and then we'll start to we'll close out the class by going kind of into programming. So you actually do some programming of a microcontroller using an Arduino. So a little basics about this. If you're considering taking this class, the reality is this class is a college class. It's concurrent enrollment. It is worth 6 credit hours, which is terrific at Weber State University. But it is a college class. So if you've had some program experience, maybe played with circuits before, and you're super interested in it, take it. It's a great class. If you're not sure, just trying to explore, I would suggest a year of physics, maybe a little more math, maybe take a programming class, but get a year or two under your belt as a junior or senior. If you're still kind of interested in this stuff, take the class. It's a great class, great preparation for a career in computers, in electrical engineering. And hopefully we'll see you in my class sometime down the road.